Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and welcome to Code with Anand. So in the previous video we talked about introduction of DataRapter, in which we know about there are four kind of DataRapter: DataRapter Turbo, DataRapter Extract, DataRapter Load and DataRapter Transform. So in this video we are going to talk about DataRapter Extract. DataRapter Extract basically used to read Salesforce data and return the data in the form of JSON or XML, or you can use custom format as well. You can customize in which form you want to get the data. So you can use the filter the data and select the fields to return, or you can use formula or default value and the translation as well. So extract typically provides the OmniScript integration procedure and cards with the data they require. So we are going to see how we can create the DataRapter extract by ourselves here. So we are in the Omnistudio, and from here you can select DataRapter Omnistudio DataRapter option. And once you are here, then you can do one thing. You can see the option here, new. So as soon as you click on new, a new tab will open and it will ask you some details. So you should give the first name of the DataRapter. So we are going to give the name of DataRapter as a POC. It is called get account details. So this is the name of our DataRapter. You can give any name according to your requirement. Then we have to give the interface name here. So interface name is you can see here extract, turbo, load and transform, means what kind of DataRapter you want to build. So for us we are going to use the DataRapter extract. So extract is already selected here. Then it asks you what kind of input you want, either JSON, either XML or custom format. So we are going to use mostly JSON format, so it's fine. Output type as well as JSON, and if you want to give the description you can give here. So we are going to give the description as we are going to use this dr to get the account details. So sometimes description is very useful, so you need to give the description always why you are using this DataRapter. And once you click save, you will get the new interface of the DataRapter, so where we can use the multiple things. So let's wait to create the DataRapter. So on the you will find the extract tab, then formula tab, then output tab, and then preview tab. So on the extract tab we are going to basically specify that which kind of object we are going to extract the data. So if you see here we have 5 types: extract, formula, output, option and preview. So from the extract tab we are basically specifying the object from where we are going to extract the data. So for that what you need to do, you need to click on add extract, and here you need to select the object from the options. So we are going to extract the data from account object, so we are going to select the account. So account is selected, then we need to pass the output path. So what should be the extract output path? We can just give the name as account details, anything you can give here. Then it asks you the filter value, what can be the filter. So filter is the value which is used to determine what data to be read. So it is used just basically as a comparing fields. The item on the left side is a field or source object, item in the middle is the comparison operator, and the item on the right quoted literal value as the input parameter. So to filter if you want to filter everything, then you can use the null value as a velocity $velocity dot null variable as well. So in that case it is going to fetch everything from the account, whatever account is present here. And most basic filter, like if you want to fetch something related to account, then we can use the ID of the account. We can give the ID, Salesforce ID, you know that it's a unique, and you can use here filter value whatever you are going to pass in as a input, so account ID here. So this way we can give the extract path here. And if you want to give more filter, like more condition, then you can use and condition, like id and account name equals to this, then you will get the only particular that account. And or condition, you can use limit condition. If you want to get something in the order, then you can use the order by. And delete filter, if we are not going to use, we can delete the filter. So in the coming next in coming lectures, we are going to talk about every fields, every details which is present here. Right now we just going to fetch the normal details from the account. So from formula, you can create your formula here. Like if you want to give some conditions, you can use if and the case, everything is present here. Concat, if you want to concat something, you can use concat, everything is present here. So then we can use the output. We are not going to use formula here, so right now we are going to delete. Then we are going to use the output functions. Under the output, we can use what fields we need to fetch. So first we are going to fetch the account name. So you can see, if you search here, we can see first the things is whatever we gave there is a object, and then we can see here the name. So you can give the name here, then name. If you give the name as a name, so first we are going to fetch the name of the account. Okay, then we need to fetch the okay, we are going to fetch what we are going to fetch. We are going to fetch the account number as well. So let's fetch account number. If we need to fetch the status, like account is active or not, then we can fetch the, okay, there is no status, there is active, so we can use active field here, give as a status. This way you can fetch everything which is present here. Billing street, sitting street, shipping street, created a description, fax, id, industry is deleted, last modified, name, number of employee. So everything you can fetch, whatever is present in the data extract path, input path, you can say extract JSON path. So everything you can fetch from here in the same way like we are fetching here. So we are going to fetch only these details. Now under the preview, we need to pass here a testing parameter, like whatever filter we are passing at the extract as an input, we need to pass there. So first let's search some account ID. So we are going to get some accounts. If you click on accounts here, and you need to click on recently view if you not see account, and click on all account from the filter. And let's suppose we are going to fetch this ACME account. So once you click here, you will get the account ID in the URL. And account ID starts from 001. So if you see the 001, then you can see that is the account ID. So 001, and we are going to pass the account ID here. So in the preview, so if you click on here key as a account ID, and under the value we have to pass the ID. So you can click on execute, and you will get all the value whatever present on this account, like number of employees 680, account number is this, account name is ACME. So you can see here everything value which is present. Maybe active status is not present for this account, so you are not getting active status. So let's see why active status is not going. So this way you can create the DataRapter. In the next video we are going to talk about the DataRapter load. So thank you for watching this video. Please share if you like this video. Thank you everyone.